Esteemed Academy of Moldavia, dear President, Academician George Stucker, ladies and gentlemen, members and guests, it gives us a great pleasure congratulating you to your anniversaries and congratulate you to all your efforts which you have achieved. You are now celebrating 70 years of independent sciences in Moldavia, as well 55 years Academy of Sciences in Moldavia. I was looking a little bit in all information which I received by you, and I have seen that you have really reached many goals which are really valuable. At present, I see that you have 46 members of your academy, 60 corresponding members, 38 honorary members. You enjoy 5,300 scientific people as employees in your academy. But one is very important, that you have 6 classes which are already and almost covering all areas of sciences. For the outside reflection and recognition, your president achieved really a great deal of success. I met him several times on different meetings, and he was always very interested and busy finding new European international connections. And one area where we are working really very intensively together is our Danube Academies conference. The Danube is really, indeed, a new upcoming area in Europe. It's such a beautiful, such a rich area, and I think you are really in the center of such a prosperous area. I think also reach out is so important to find new friends, to extend, and also to participate in all the programs which are offered by the European Union. I was now mentioning the Danube Academies Conference, and we have been very happy that you hosted in 2014 the Danube Academies Conference. It was a wonderful occasion, seeing your country, seeing your institution, seeing your people, and I was really flattered, especially by your work in education. You are educating young people in different graduations, and this is more or less untypical in Europe, that you focus on education of the youth too. And this is really important. Why? Because you train the young generation, open the eyes, being collaborative, get new innovations, all in sense of a new future direction of Moldavia. When I was reading a little bit in your history, it was shown that you created 70 years ago different research institutes. But one thing which I would like to pick out is that you also installed a biological garden. And I think a biological garden can be as a garden taken as a metaphor for the core elements of an academy. What is the core element of an academy? Thinking, interdisciplinary, transnational acting, building bridges between the generations, between your people, and especially bridging all the different interests which appear. The metaphor of the garden was more or less started by Plato 2,500 years ago. And in the Renaissance, Ficino started again a garden concept. And I think the idea of a garden is such as important. Why? When you are walking with your friends, with your colleagues in some sort of a garden, you are exchanging ideas, discussing ideas, build the nucleus for new innovation, and that you can work based to the innovation for new concepts in your country. But finally, I think with those core elements which we can transport to everything in the academy, we get new parts in sciences with the interdisciplinarity. It's not even more possible to fix in a scotomic way in one narrow scientific area. We have to be broad, we have to be transnational. Therefore, I enjoy so much that you are participating in the Danube Academy's conferences, and overall, the most prestigious efforts are building bridges in all parts of our life. It's bridges within a population, bridges within the sciences. And don't forget, those thinking is also leading to a form of tolerance, to meet people on a bridge. You invite them to cross over and to develop new ideas. Again, we as Academy, European Academy of Science and Arts, congratulate you for all your efforts, and we invite you very cordially to build with us the Danube region as a prosperous region in Europe. We need also cooperation, and you will see, or our younger generation will see, that we looked very carefully to all the concepts of sciences. It's a responsibility of us academicians to think toward the youth and toward our society. Again, I congratulate you. I wish you all the best. I'm looking forward for further intensive cooperation. And in Latin, I would say now, ad multos annos.